It's easy to associate AI with engineering, robotics, or tech labs. In liberal arts, AI is a quiet revolution, unexpected but undeniably transformative. For instance, the 4,500-year-old Indus civilization script is in the process of being deciphered due to AI-driven research. Scholars and researchers are using AI to analyze patterns and frequencies of symbols in the script. Even if you're a complete beginner to AI, you've probably heard of ChatGPT. It is like having a digital research assistant or a creative collaborator right at your fingertips. Platforms like Duolingo offer tailored language learning, enriching cross-cultural studies and personalized learning. AI-driven platforms like Google Arts and Culture and Europeana are preserving and digitizing historical artifacts, providing access to the world's art, history, and culture like never before. Runway ML allows students to generate videos, music, and art just by entering a prompt. Voyant tools and Google Books Ngram Viewer can analyze massive texts and uncover hidden patterns in literature and historical documents. For the creative minds, tools like Sudowrite are transforming the writing process by refining your stories, poetry, or essays. AI tools like IBM Watson and Microsoft Azure AI help students combine data science with humanities, creating interdisciplinary research. In liberal arts, AI is more than an innovation. Step into the future. Experience AI-augmented education in liberal arts at Chandigarh University, Uttar Pradesh, at India's next-gen futuristic university.